I made a wind chime here. It didn't cost anything. This part here, that's a when you buy a lot of CDs or DVDs, it comes in a holder with a spindle in the middle. So that's what this is. And then I've drilled holes here where these pipes hang down, and I've knotted them. There you can see I've knotted them. And these are simply old copy machine cartridge. What do they call it? The drum. These are copy machine drums, and I left the plastic plug in the top in one end and took it out of the other end, and I tied a knot on the inside of that. So that's what holds those up. And I put a little bit of glue here to keep them from pulling out. And then you need one in the middle. This one in the middle. And then I put a sail on the bottom, so when the wind blows, you get more action. You can see there, it makes that middle one move. And when the wind's going really well, and then I've secured it to a post here. So when the wind's going pretty well, it makes a lot of noise. And then if you want, you can cut different lengths. I cut this one's a little bit shorter than the others, and there's one shorter. So two of them I cut shorter with a hacksaw.